smile, Lee the shop from Cariad. Third video with his posh new shirt on a Saturday evening, late. I'm going to flick you over again. I'm going to stand you up this time somewhere and I'll show you this Mapex Armory Drum Kit that we've got in as a little sample kit. We got these in all sorts of colours, forest greens and purples and reds and so on. Very nice, actually. I was very, very surprised how good a sound, even with the standard basic drum heads on there, are. So get ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's flick you over. Bang. There it is. Looks really pretty. Now, this is lacquered finish, all lacquered. It's not a drum wrap. They put a veneer on there and they spray the lacquer on. So it gives a really lovely wood finish on there. And I like the fact that it's shaded dark red into a very pale red and back again. It gives a nice colour, a nice bit of depth to the grain. And it's really good. So you've got 22-inch bass drum in this particular case, but you can have 20-inch bass drums. I believe you can even have 24s in these. But we've got 22, and you've got 10, 12, and a 16. Very nice indeed. Now, I mentioned it's just the standard drum heads that come with it, which is the Chinese version of the Remos. That's the UTs. So with the Mapex logos on. So they're not the best of drum heads. However, I've got to say that actually works really nice, even as it is. It's got a lovely sound to it. The bass drum, I was very, very surprised with. So it's really good. Suspended hangers, okay, tom mounts. So they suspend them from underneath there. So you've got your standard lug, and then you've got these extra lugs with a bolt on the underside. If I can zoom you in a little bit more, you can see there, and then that's threaded up underneath. And it's a triangle, so you've got 2 bolts. Whoops, I'm not showing you there. 2 bolts, as you can see, and then the bottom one is simply like a rubber band to stop the drum going any further. And you can see I can separate it. So it's completely suspended on that. Good quality mounts, in fairness to Mapex. These are very good arms with the ball joint in them. Very strong indeed, and they've got a hollow there to try and take some of the weight out of the unit itself, because these clamps can be pretty lumpy things to carry around in your hardware case. So good quality here. I do like very much the memory lock on there. It's a nice curve. It's got a nice feel to it, nice texture, and that's really good. And you've got a little badge underneath where the rubber hits so you don't damage the shell. So well thought out in many places. Good feel to it. Feels solid. I said the sound is actually really good. And these are nice as well. They've got a spring inside them. So when you push the floor tom leg into there, it'll hold for you. They just don't flop out. And then you can pinch them and lock them in. So let's bring you over here. And actually, to be honest with you, the thing is with these is the price tag. They're really, really good on the price tag. So I'm just going to lower you down carefully. I'm going to run around there now. Ding, 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 ding. No microphones, these are dead. They're not on, they're not doing anything. That's particularly nice. I gotta tell you, in this room, it's lovely. The snare, I haven't even tuned up. It's a little bit, it's okay, it's quite tight at the bottom, but it's not too much. But I think they got a nice feel about them. Great little rock set. Without any particular tuning, sometimes it might sound a bit sloppy on its own, but when you work a whole drum kit together, an individual sound might not sound fat, but actually within the context of the whole kit, it sounds very nice. So you may adjust a bit of tuning on these, but sometimes it sounds alright to me. So it's straight out to the box, straight on, and away you go. Now you can improve the sounds naturally by changing the drum head maybe to a better quality one. If you wish, you could change the tops and the bottoms. A bit of tweaking, a bit of tuning here and there, but they're very, very good. They're surprisingly good quality, because I think a lot of people think with Mapex that, you know, it's a lower down the range setup, but they're a very solid drum kit. The Armory is really pretty. I said really good color schemes on some of them with the natural wood and so on. So really, what's not to like about it, you know? And it's just a really, really lovely feel and sound with that bass drum. With the Armory steel drum as well, very nice, it's great. The Tomahawk, going to this one, Armory series snare drum. So simple throw on there, which is a flip up, not a side flip, but a forward flip. Very nice, solidly made again. What more can you say? Steel drum. This is the 14 by 5, we're gonna have a mid 14 by 6.5, so on. Play it, it's just got that lovely doom doom doom, which is all you want out of a drum kit. I don't go with tuning to a G to a C, I just want to hear drums that, oh, I think, oh, that's nice, oh, that's nice. Much an enjoyable drum kit. Very surprised. Excellent. I always think to myself, would I buy one and would I play it live? And I actually would. I would take this out as a gigging kit. I think it's strong enough, robust enough to handle itself both in sound, in quality, in looks, and being stripped down and put back together again umpteen times. I think it would withstand the call of what it would need. So get in touch if you like the look of anything from Mapex. Look at the link below, takes you to our website and so on. Get in touch, send me a message. We do deals, always do deals. Surprisingly better than the big guys, okay? So take care, over and out, leave the shop.